guys how to make a raspberry and coconut cake. So to begin with, I'm going to mix my butter and granulated sugar together. You can use a hand whisk, electric whisk. I'm just decided to use a spoon today. Just to show it is a flexible recipe, you don't need electric whisk or a hand whisk. I just use a metal spoon, wooden spoon. My butter and sugar is creamed together. Now I'm going to whisk my eggs. Let's get a fork. Just whisk these up. Now I'm going to pour my egg into my creamed butter and sugar mixture. Just a little bit. This is my bowl with the coconut, just a little bit of coconut in there, and my flour. It's not sieved. You can sieve it if you want to, it's optional. If you want it more light, more fluffy, you can sieve it. But for this cake, I'm just going for a simple sponge, so just gonna add in a little bit and mix. And then the rest of the egg. Pour the rest of my flour and coconut mixture into the bowl. Oh, it also has the salt in this bowl. Here's my finished mixture. It's smooth. There's no lumps of butter, no lumps of sugar, no lumps of flour, and it's ready to go in the tin. So here's my tin. I've just lightly greased it. You can flour it as well, flour and grease it, but I've just greased it lightly. And I'm going to put the mixture into the bowl, into the tin. And smooth it off. Make sure you get it in the corners, nice and flat. And that's it, ready to bake. I'm going to put it in the oven on the top shelf for approximately 20 minutes. So here's my cake. I just took it out of the oven and then put it on the cooling rack to cool, and then once it's completely cool, I'll be able to decorate it. Now my cake is completely cooled. When I feel it, no warmth at all. It's important that the cake is cool before you decorate it. So now I'm just going to put my raspberry jam on top. Gonna sprinkle some desiccated coconut on top. Finish raspberry and coconut tray bake cake. So from this tray I'm going to get 6 slices.